Hello guys, Musselwhite here, also known as Chris Entertainment, and welcome to a bit of an unexpected unboxing of the Blue Microphone's Yeti Nano. A device I was not intending to get originally, but with my previous microphone, the Blue Microphone's Snowball Ice, finally have given up the ghost with the port fitting. I thought now was a good time as any if I was going to replace it to get one of the newer higher end options that's not ludicrously expensive. So as always, here's like the front of it, because it's actually a very aesthetically pleasing box. Here's another look at it. The back, which has a lot of items, like a lot of advertising sort of stuff, and of course the various molds, as well as some what kind of use this thing would have. So yeah, as well, here's the top. And finally, but certainly not least, the below, which is all the copyright stuff and the ID. So as you can see, again, it's a very nice box, and I got the Sallow Grey variant because it was the cheapest out of the lot. No matter where you go at the time of the recording, it's literally all just £100. I got this from PC World because I didn't want to wait for delivery. I'm going to be frank, with the microphone on the way out, it was actually getting worse considerably fast. I just decided to get it from PC World, but literally it doesn't really matter where you get this from. Probably will change further down the line because it's still a relatively new product, so yeah. For now, this is kind of what the cards we've been dealt with. In fact, I'm actually cutting into the box. Now let's pull this off. So pull this off, did I read? Fuck yeah, I remade a picture of this, haven't I? Finally, there you go. And all it took was beautifully mutilating the box. Now that is darn regrettable, I'm not gonna lie. There we go, so first we get, oh wow, this is just a pull-out thing. And another thing, the card, hopefully I don't mutilate this box, that would be good. I already mutilated the outside box. The inside box doesn't matter as much, so out of the two I wish it was this one I kind of destroyed, but hey ho. Such is life, I suppose. So, behind door number one we have, first thing we get is a card talking about the Nano's companion app, which we won't use because I don't need it, to be perfectly frank. We have the Yeti Nano's instruction booklet. Again, I think it's pretty plug and play, that I should be able to figure it out myself, so. But it's so nice to have. Warranty information, and of course the USB cable, which I believe is compared to the Type B that you get with the Snowball Ice, this is a macro B or a micro B. Looks like micro B actually. So here's that, all ready to use. And then after that we got a nice little foam packaging, which actually goes our way. Then a little pull out later, we can see the microphone. It's actually also got a nice little packaging right here to keep it from moving, so that's good. Here we are. Here is the microphone itself. You can see that it comes with the mount pre-applied, although we're going to take that off. The back of it, you've got a button for the two modes it offers. The front is the volume for the monitoring, so that's literally what that is. The Blue Microphone's logo. And underneath there we will see the mount if you want to put it onto like a boom mic, the USB port, and of course the headphone pass-through. And there we go guys, that wraps up the very quick unboxing of the Blue Microphone's Yeti Nano. It looks really nice actually, I really love, not complete black look, but kind of the dark mode kind of look. I think it looks really attractive. And now I'm going to go and replace my old Snowball, what you can see right here unplugged. You can tell I've seen some use. I'm not to tell you so you'll be to see it on the image. Unfortunately, I could not have failed at the worst time, but you know, these things happen, and I'm actually very excited that it actually gave me an excuse to get this higher end option I've had my eyes on for a while. So, once again, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.